Signs that may indicate whether your marriage is salvageable. Trust is not irreparably broken. Rebuilding trust takes time and effort, but it's possible if both partners are committed. So if the trust has been shattered beyond repair and there is a genuine desire to rebuild it, the marriage can be salvaged. But the desire has to be twofold. If both partners are not working together on that mission, it's going to be very difficult to move forward. Forgiveness and the willingness to let go of the past. Holding on to past grievances, refusing to forgive, this can really hinder progress in a marriage. And if both partners are willing to let go of the past, forgive each other's mistakes, it shows a willingness to move forward and create a healthier future together. Hope and optimism. Despite the challenges, if both partners still have hope and optimism that the future of their marriage is, in place, and they maintain that kind of positive outlook, it really indicates a belief that the relationship is salvageable. Even if you struggle with some of the preceding points, even if intimacy is out the window, communication is lacking, and some other things have happened that makes it challenging, if you have hope and optimism, you can still save a relationship. And maintaining that optimism can motivate both people to work through those difficulties, to face the changes they need to make, and to make the changes that need to be made. Remember, these signs provide a very general indication, and it's crucial to seek professional guidance.